Khloe Kardashian's fashion company, Good American, was unable to reach a settlement with the cancer-stricken ex-employees suing for wrongful termination and are set for trial, In Touch can exclusively report. According to court documents obtained by In Touch, a hearing was held on Tuesday, April 29, as part of the lawsuit against Good American brought by a woman named Brooke. Khloe, 40, launched the company with her business partner, Emma Grede, in 2016. At the hearing, it was revealed the parties recently attended a hearing in an attempt to hash out a deal to avoid going to trial. The judge noted the parties did not settle the case. The jury trial is scheduled for August 4 in Los Angeles Superior Court. In the bombshell lawsuit, Brooke said she was hired in 2019 as a marketing intern. She was promoted to marketing coordinator in June 2021. Brooke said she was provided with glowing performance reviews praising her as an asset to the team and great on Emma and Khloe projects. She said she was given another raise in early 2023. On June 20, 2023, Brooke, who had previously been treated for cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, submitted a doctor's note to her bosses from UCLA Department of Medicine. The note said that Brooke was under a doctor's professional care and that she was requested as an accommodation, a temporary excuse from work. The note said Brooke was immune-compromised and had recently been discharged from the hospital. Further, it said Brooke needed to complete a course of treatment and that she needed to return to work remotely. Brooke said she submitted another note in July 2023, stating she was under medical care and that she was unable to work in person and needed more time to work remotely. In the suit, Brooke accused the defendants of undertaking a pressure campaign, in which defendants made negative comments to her about her need for accommodation. She claimed she was told her need for accommodation was undermining the organization and that her bosses suggested she take a medical leave of absence instead of working remotely. Despite defendants' pressure campaign, plaintiff continued to perform her job remotely in an effective and competent manner, the suit read. She said she later saw a job listing for her role. Brooke submitted another request for accommodation in September 2023 that said she needed to continue working at home. The doctor note said Brooke is extremely immunocompromised due to her underlying medical condition. The following month, Brooke claimed Good American terminated her due to a company layoff. Brooke disputed it was a layoff and alleged the company had continued to hire and fill roles. Brooke claimed she was terminated due to her medical condition and disability. The suit demanded damages from Good American and Emma for wrongful termination, cancer discrimination, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. Khloe was not a named defendant in the lawsuit. Good American and Emma denied all allegations of wrongdoing. Brooke is barred from claiming any injuries or damages because such injuries and damages are the sole direct and proximate result of Brooke's conduct, the response read. Further, their lawyer argued, to the extent Brooke suffered any symptoms of mental or emotional distress or injury, it was the result of pre-existing psychological disorders or alternative concurrent causes, and not the result of any act or omission of defendants. Also, they said, plaintiff's claims for failure to accommodate are barred because plaintiff never gave notice of the need for an accommodation. The lawyer also claimed Brooke had pre-existing issues due to her cancer. Brooke had pre-existing mental distress due to cancer and other alternative causes that existed before she was terminated. Any alleged emotional distress was not due to the alleged actions of defendants, they argued. Khloe's company also denied cancer or Brooke's need for accommodations were the reason for her termination. They demanded the entire suit be thrown out.